Hello guys, my name is Aditya Gaikwad. My subject is entrepreneurship management and my topic name is business plan. What is business plan? A business plan is a formal written document containing the goals of a business, the methods for attaining those goals and the time frame for the achievement of the goals. It also describes the nature of the business, background information on the organization financial projections and the strategies it intends to implement to achieve the stated targets. In its entirety, this document services as a roadmap, a plan that provide direction to the business return. Business plan are often required to obtain a bank loan or other kind of financing. Templates, the guides such as the ones offered in the United States by the Small Business Administration can be used to facilitate producing a business plan. Purpose of business plan defines the vision for the company, establishes the company strategy, describe how the strategy will be implemented, provides a framework for analysis of key issues, provides a plan for the development of the business, is a measurement and control tool, helps the entrepreneur to be realistic and to put theories to the rest. Open business plan. Traditionally, business plans have been highly confidential and quite limited in the audience. The business plan itself is generally regarded as a secret. An open business plan is a business plan with a unlimited audience. The business plan is typically web published and made available to all. In the free software and open source business model, trade secrets, copyright and patents can no longer be used as effective locking mechanism to provide sustainable advantages to a particular business, and therefore a secret business plan is less relevant in the thus non-for-profit business. The business goals may be defined both for non-profit or for-profit organizations. For-profit business plans typically focus on financial goals such as a profit or creation of wealth. Non-profit as well as government agency business plans tend to focus on the organizational mission, which is the basis for their governmental status or their non-profit tax exempt status, respectively. Although non-profit may also focus on optimizing revenue, legal and liability issues under the included disclosure requirements is a very important. Externally targeted business plan should list all legal concerns and financial liabilities that might negatively affect investors depending on the number of funds being raised and the audience to whom the plan is represented. Failure to do this may have several legal consequences. Under the business plan, any investors looking for what does the team think? How detail oriented as the team? How big is the market? Is there sustainable competitive advantage? What's growth plan? Financial projection affect in business plan like a build 5 years, detail near years, extrapolate out years, but from single unit economics, compare against top down, validate with market comparables. 10 most answering question in included business plan. How large is our addressable market? How fast is the market growing? Whom make up your management team? What's your secret sauce? What are the barriers to entry competitive advantage? What do your 5-year financial look like? What's your path to profitability? What is this company versus a product and services? Who's your competition and how do you beat them? Last and important question is, why can't Microsoft or Google do this or name any big establishment company? Company strategy, clear long term objectives, opportunities, innovations, competition, economics of scale, time to market, taste, risks and failures, stakeholders, Competitor analysis. In the business plan, using in competitor analysis in marketing and strategic management is an assessment of the strength and weakness of current and potential competitors. This analysis provides both on offensive and defensive strategic context to identify opportunities and threats. Sustainable competitive advantage. In business, a competitive advantage is the attribute that allows an organization to outperform its competitor. Types. There are three types of competitive advantages that companies can actually use. They are cost, product and service, differentiation, and niche strategies. Importance. Importance of competitive advantage. A competitive advantage distinguishes a company from competitors. It contributes to higher prices, more customers, and brand loyalty. Establishing such as an advantage is one of the most important goals of any company. In today's world, it is essential to business success. Business plan. Every business plan should address a number of fundamental issues without which it would not be complete. These issues can be grouped and under six major areas that are the pillars of every business activity, whether large or small. There are sales and marketing, operations, human resource, finance, information and communication technologies, information management. The format provides you with a framework for presenting your thoughts, ideas, and strategies in a logical, consistent, and coherent manner. In other words, the business plan format helps you to clarify your own ideas and present them clarified to others. Executive summary, enterprise description, product or service description, industry analysis, competition analysis, SWOT analysis, marketing sub-plan, operations sub-plan, human sub-plan, the budget. Purpose of business plan. Alignment of teams, operating plan, communication across company, division, department, business partners, investment capital, expansion capital for the bank's leases, merger and acquisition process. Thank you.